TFC house by LADO Arquitectura e Design in Vila do Bispo, Portugal. Aldeia da Pedralva is a quaint rural settlement situated in the municipality of Vila do Bispo, at the westernmost tip of the Algarve. This collection of around 50 houses, once on the brink of abandonment, has undergone a remarkable restoration and reconstruction effort in recent years, transforming these structures into tourist accommodations. The restoration of this village, despite being a privately driven initiative, has seen significant collaboration from local authorities deeply committed to preserving its heritage, history, and the original essence of this place. Pedralva has successfully preserved the rustic charm of a bygone era, maintaining the architectural integrity of its buildings in terms of size, design, and the materials used. Casa TFC, nestled at the village's entrance, occupies a plot of roughly 1,000 square meters, marking the final vacant space within the complex. The lot faces the road on its northern and eastern sides, while the interior area opens to the south, fitting snugly between an adjacent house and the foothills, characterized by embankments and platform-like areas that the design scheme aims to harmonize. The project's primary objectives were to maintain the street-facing scale and appearance without disrupting the overall village layout, while simultaneously meeting the family's desire for a spacious house with seamless indoor-outdoor connections and optimal sun exposure. Located at the northernmost part of the leveled area, the 200 square meters footprint house consists of 3 connected sections designed to align with the lot's configuration and morphology. This arrangement creates a sheltered courtyard within the lot, serving as an outdoor extension of the house's communal areas. Access to the house is via the eastern street, through a covered porch. The ground floor boasts a generous living area with an integrated kitchen, 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a powder room. The use of the attic space, accommodating 2 additional bedrooms, a living room, and another bathroom, effectively addresses the family's functional requirements. The house's primary south-facing facade features a sizable glazed area that fully opens, forging a tangible and visual connection between the central living spaces and the sun-soaked courtyard, sheltered from prevailing winds. This intimate and inviting courtyard, adorned with lush vegetation, encompasses a swimming pool that appears seamlessly connected to the house, situated on an elevated platform that merges with the sloping terrain and the natural surroundings. On the north-facing facade, which faces the municipal road, the windows are more modestly sized, corresponding to the traditional architecture of the village. They are complemented by exterior shutters that provide shade and security. The harmonious integration with the surroundings is evident not only in the scale and design of the structures, but also in the choice of materials and finishes, with a pronounced emphasis on the exterior facade. The walls are finished with traditional white lime, and the roof is adorned with handcrafted ceramic tiles. A polished concrete floor in a natural hue extends seamlessly from the interior to the exterior and around the pool area, imparting a sense of uniformity and contemporary style to the built environment.